You're right. Wait a minute.
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
President raising his hand. Yes, sir.
Thank you for giving me the time. I'd like to ask the Colonel, sino yung idiot na superior mo?
What is the question, sir? Who is the superior of...
Yes, the one who... Alam mo, ano ang ginawa nung ulol na yon? Subornation of perjury. That is a crime. Tingnan mo sa revised penal code. Subornation.
Okay po, I think you already stated it, Colonel Grijaldo. Nasagot na po niya, Mr. President, nasa testimony na po niya. Sige po, can we now proceed? Who has questions for the former President?
Mr. Chair, I'd like to make it clear na yung ginawa ng idioto na opisyal mo o classmate mo.
Sir, it's not officer, congressman. Congressman ang nagsabi sa kanya. Congressman.
Yung idioto na congressman, subornation o perjury yan. He was suggesting, the mere suggestion of what he wants you to do is already a crime. Under the revised penal code, yung inuudyok mo yung tao na mag-execute ng affidavit falsely or making a false narrative, subornation of perjury.
Yes, that's a crime under the revised penal code.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Sige, sir, because, we are operating under, time constraints. So, sabi ko kanina, hanggang 3 o'clock lang tayo. But, sige,
gusto ko lang habulin yung classmate mo. Yung congressman. Parang papailan ko ng kaso. Total, hindi ko na kailangan yung affidavit mo. Your narrative here is under oath. Hindi ko na kailangan yung affidavit mo. All I have to do is to take out your statement, the basis of filing a case of subornation.
Our transcript of records will be available to anyone who will request, Mr. President. Okay.